Hi there, I'm Becky Alter with Home Handy out of Sarasota, Florida. Guys, today we're going to be talking about cabinets. So whether it's in your kitchen or your bathroom and you're looking at doing some upgrades or renovations, this is often the biggest question that our clients come to us with first. Do we replace, reface, or refinish our cabinets? So today we're going to dig in and look at the different options, and I'm going to give you my expert input and advice in terms of which option is going to be best for you. So let's get started. Okay, first things first. If your home was built or remodeled about the time that E.T. had just come out in the movie theaters, it's likely that you're going to go ahead and need to replace your cabinets. And by your cabinets, I mean the whole cabinet box. So inside here, sneak peek inside of my own cabinets, this is your cabinet box. These are your cabinet doors, and then obviously you know what your cabinet drawers are. So if you have an older home that has not been updated, chances are pretty good that your cabinet boxes are starting to sort of slope or dip down, and or you've got some hefty gouges or scratches in those boxes. That's when it's time to go ahead and replace your cabinet boxes. That's all I'm going to say about that because it's pretty cut and dry. The other two options or alternatives are the ones that most of our clients are doing here in Sarasota. So let's take a look at those. Your two alternative options to replacing your cabinets are either refinishing or refacing. So what's the difference between refinishing and refacing? I want you to close your eyes and imagine what your kitchen cabinets or bathroom cabinets look like, and or just turn around and take a look. When you look at your cabinets, are you happy with the general style of the cabinet itself? Or are you not pleased with the actual structure of the cabinet? Are you wanting to change styles completely, say from an older style to maybe a shaker style cabinet? If the answer to that is yes, I want to change styles, then you would be most interested in the refacing option. When it comes to refacing, you're looking at about a 50%, that's 50, a 50% difference in price between refacing and getting brand new cabinets. That's right, it can save you about half on your spending. Refacing is definitely a more affordable option. When it comes to refacing, your professionals will come to your home. They will remove all of your doors and drawers and essentially recreate an entire new door front and drawer front. When they're finished, after 3 to 5 days, they'll bring them back to your home, reinstall them with brand new hardware, and you're all set. Now, let's say your answer when I asked you to kind of consider what your current cabinets look like and what you do and don't like about them. Let's say you like the style. The style works for you, but it's the color that's just not working for you. Maybe you're tired of having those dark brown cabinets in your kitchen and you want to lighten and brighten things up. Well, your best option is to go with refinishing. Now, refinishing, your professionals, there are a variety of ways really that we can do this for you. And at Home Handy, we specialize in this. Now, this process, it still takes a couple of days because there's a lot of work into it. We clean, then sand, then coat, then sand, then coat, then lightly sand, then coat again. And then, if you choose, we will also use a polyurethane final coat for additional durability and to make things easier to clean. Then we reinstall your door fronts and your drawers, And now you have what looks like a completely updated, brand new kitchen or set of kitchen cabinets. So your next question is, okay, Becky, well, that sounds great, but talk to me about price tag. That's a fair question. According to estimates across the country, it costs about 50% to reface cabinets versus purchasing brand new cabinets. And for refinishing, it's about 2/3 the cost of refacing. So oftentimes we can refinish your cabinets at about 25% of what it would have cost to replace your entire kitchen cabinet system. It's absolutely fantastic. We have had glowing reviews, referrals, and recommendations based on our clients going the route of refinishing or painting their cabinets because it makes such a massive difference with such a smaller price tag. Now, I will tell you, there are a lot of outdated notions that you cannot paint laminate or Formica cabinet doors or drawers or cabinet faces, and that's just not true. If you go down to any reliable local hardware store like a Lowe's or Home Depot or Ace and talk with one of the paint professionals in that particular store, heck, even go down to Benjamin Moore, which is the store that I particularly like when it comes to buying the correct product. Talk with those paint specialists. Let them know, hey, I've got Formica cabinets. Is it possible to paint over those? And the answer is 100% yes. There are now special products that can be used to paint over Formica that makes them look brand spanking new. This is the product that we only use at Home Handy so that we can guarantee our work and your happiness with the final product. Okay guys, so let's do a quick review of all of the things that we've discussed here. If you're having major issues with the structural integrity of your cabinet boxes, if they're sagging, if they experienced some water damage, if there are big gouges that are in the cabinet boxes, you're going to need to go ahead and replace those. However, there are other options. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the entire style of the cabinet faces themselves. That's going to be cabinet refacing. And you're going to want to look specifically for professionals who do cabinet refacing. There are some amazing companies here in Sarasota that handle that. If, however, all that you're interested in doing, you want to keep the style the same, you want to keep the look the same, you're just sick and tired of having dark cabinets and you want lighter cabinets, or you don't like having to clean lighter cabinets all the time and you want to go with darker cabinets, guess what? You can bring us in to refinish those cabinets for you. It'll take a few days, and oftentimes it'll cost about half what it would cost to reface your cabinets. So if you're considering renovating or updating your kitchen or bath and you would like some assistance with that, you can always reach out to us over at Home Handy when you are ready to refinish your cabinets. If you're interested in a free estimate, always feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call, and we'd be happy to talk you through the process. We often partner with a fantastic design center here in Sarasota, Batibou. I'm going to put Jason Moore, the owner, his contact information down in the description below. Thank you so much for your time. I sure do hope that this was helpful for all of you, and we look forward to seeing you this year. And if you're on YouTube and you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.